luggage by selecting the correct shipping symbol. Making a mistake on a bag. Rescue it from the back row if you has to.
So what do I do?
Look for the tags.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Where did I put it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's over.
I think that one goes that way too.
Meant to watch.
Uh-oh. You
Hello.
did it wrong. No. Quick. Get it. You have to grab them.
Oh. Get it?
Yeah.
Get it. Whoa. Get it.
We don't seem to be making any progress. Oh, maybe that's the last one, this blue one. Hurry. Grab it. Last one. What? Were we doing it wrong? Oh, she's mad at you, I think.
So only get, okay, so this one has the tag, so I guess we press it.
Alright. Press the tag. Oh, IBC, you have to press the one that it says. See if it's the temperature. Alright, so restart because now we know what to do.
Yeah. It says to get
So press the
That one.
umbrella. There. Good. The glass. Ivy, that's an umbrella.
That's an umbrella.
Like that. See, that's the temperature getting.
I get it now.